So you can see here now, I'll give you an example of me walking with it, and we can easily take out the lens, put that back in, take out the body, put it back in. The main thing we need is these. So these things here are basically holsters. I'll put a link in the description so you can check them out. I have an extra belt here which I use just for this purpose. So if I open this belt up and feed it through, that's one. Then here is two. It's just a case of feeding it through. If I show you how this fits on. You could use a different belt where it's got a loop, a buckle, but I prefer these because I can cinch it down. I'll put them in the right positions. Okay, so there's one and there's two. So right now here, if I get a close up on that, there's a little ball in there. And now if I get my camera, and I basically screw that on the bottom of the camera. These are similar to the spider holsters. I've put a little loop in there which allows me to tighten it a bit better. So now that basically fits in. So that's my camera, number one. Number two, same sort of thing. So that there, again, screws in the bottom, it's a little ball, fits into the... Okay, so I'm just demonstrating right now how it looks with two cameras. So again, it's got a little clip here. If you zoom in on there, and you'll see that little clip there, that locks into place so it doesn't move, it doesn't come back out unless I open that. Max, come here. Hey, come here. Here. Sit. Wait. So I've got another one here, and you can see that's perfect. So if I was to do a photo, Max, you ready? You're going to get a photo. I don't have a card in my camera. I do not have a card in my camera. That is because this wasn't planned, was it, Max? Okay, come on, go. So now you can see, I'll give you a little demo. Comfortably, kind of like here. There's no problems. I've got this here, so that's what's making the noise. It's kind of banging into that. But I've had a 70 to 200 on this body, and it's perfectly fine. And yeah. That gives you an idea of carrying multiple cameras if you're in a fashion show. You can see here now, I'll give you an example of me walking with it, and we can easily take out the lens, put that back in, take out the body, put it back in. If you're rushing about, there's no problem with them. So you can see there. Here, Max, come here. Sit. Here. Hey. Come here. Sit. Wait. Come on. So you can see now there are two camera bodies. I have the pads which I can put on here as well. So you can pick this up. I'll show you one. I won't show you both. So now if I put this on, right now this camera now rests on this. If you get a close-up of that, you see it's resting on the padding. When it's resting on the padding, what that means is as you walk, it won't chafe against your leg. What I normally do is I have it like that. If you can get a close-up there, you'll see it rests on my leg. And this little, if you get close up here, you'll see that little clip there holds it in place so it can't come out. All you do is hold that, so it stops it dropping out. So those are two cameras carried very easily and comfortably. I've had the 70 to 200 on this one as well, and it's longer. I just use the pad because what happens is as you walk it can like move slightly, so you'll feel it and bruise your leg, but yeah, it's okay.